Welcome back to our channel where we discuss smart investment strategies to help you secure your financial future. Today we have an important topic to discuss: locking in your gains during an up market. We'll explore the importance of rolling your gains into a fixed index annuity to give you the protection in case the market declines. Keep in mind, just last year in 2022, that was the worst stock market since 2008, where we had the big crash. The worst one going all the way back. To help illustrate this, let's dive into a story of two individuals that made two different choices. Meet Sarah, a diligent investor who understood the importance of locking in her gains during a bull market. She wasn't just content with watching her profits rise, she wanted to lock them in for the long term. After doing her research, she decided to put her gains into a fixed index annuity. Sarah knew that fixed index annuities came packaged with a lot of benefits and opportunities, but first she appreciated how they came with little to no fees, which meant more of her money was going to be working for her on a daily basis. But even more crucially, fixed index annuities provide 100% protection against market decline. Now let's meet Mark, a well-meaning investor who really enjoyed watching the gains in his portfolio but failed to take protective measures. Sadly, Mark opted to not lock in his gains, I guess thinking that the market was just going to rise indefinitely. Unfortunately for Mark, the stock market took an unexpected turn and his investments suffered significant losses. Without a safety net in place, he faced the full brunt of the decline, jeopardizing his financial future. Now back to Sarah, who wisely chose to protect her gains inside a fixed index annuity. The fixed index annuity's most significant advantage is the assurance that you're not going to lose money during the next market decline. Even during downturns, your money is 100% protected, giving you peace of mind. Furthermore, if you choose the right fixed index annuity, you're going to have 8% guaranteed growth for at least the first 10 years. This type of consistent growth gave Sarah the opportunity to plan for her future with confidence. As the market recovered, Sarah's annuity not only weathered the storm, but it also gave her a 20% bonus on day one when she got started with it. Her investments remained intact, giving her the opportunity to continue to build her financial portfolio. Sadly, Mark, on the other hand, faced an uphill battle as he tried to recover from his losses. His lack of protection put him in a pretty vulnerable position, highlighting the importance of locking in gains during prosperous times, much like we're in right now. Investing in an up market can be exhilarating, but it's important to protect your gains. Rolling your profits into a fixed index annuity ensures your money is shielded from market decline. With little to no fees, principal protection, and the potential for significant growth, fixed index annuities offer a comprehensive solution for long-term financial security. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the importance of locking in gains during an up stock market. Remember, it's not just about making the money, it's also about protecting it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button and notification bell so you'll be notified as future content's released. Until next time, happy investing and God bless.